Hi, I'm just here doing the service and the check over on your Ariens Snowtech Snowblower. So just a couple of issues. One of them I've already fixed up. That was your recoil rope. It was frayed. The pieces of it are down here. Anyway, it was getting that little big fuzzy look on the handle end. And actually, when I did the other end, when I cut it off, the piece is gone. I don't know where, but anyway, it was just about to break down inside the recoil, so I've replaced that. Next issue. So if we look in here and we see way in there how that's all nice and shiny looking. If I go in here with my finger, you can see that my finger is coming away wet, especially up on that metal case, and that's engine oil. And where that is coming from, when the snowblower is actually sitting in the position that it's supposed to be, is it's coming from that crankcase oil seal right there. So there's a seal in here, and this is where the PTO shaft is for your belts. I'll zoom back in here, out here, so you can actually see everything. And what happens is these seals start leaking, and they seep down onto you'll see the oil build up around the engine. You can see where it's all been sticking in there. So that seal is at the beginnings of seeping, and I would recommend changing that now because they do not get better. And what will eventually happen is that you'll get enough oil built up hanging on the bottom of the case, and then it drops down on top of your friction disc, the steel disc, and the rubber disc, and it makes it slip and slide, and you don't have a drive, or it wears the rubber out faster than it should, and all that sort of stuff. So I've had some of those seals on order. I'm going to check and see what the ETA is for them, and I'll get back to you on when I can have them. Anyway, that's it. I can't find anything else wrong with it so far. So have a great day.